Yeah, buddy. This my nephew right here. You know what I'm saying? Finna get it in the mini monster truck. You know what I mean? We're gonna show y'all how the boys out here in AZ do it. You know what I'm saying? We the truth, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna stop it and stop acting like you boys is the shit, because I'm gonna show you the shit. You know what I'm saying? As soon as my little nigga take off, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let him go ahead and get it. Papa, you ready? You ready? Man, mash gas. Go ahead. Oh man, hold up. Dude. Dude. Go ahead, man. Goodness. Oh man. And that sounds so nice, don't it? He gone, man. He gone. He'll be back in a second. He's just gonna go down to the end and come right back. Yeah. Oh, did you hurt yourself, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm going to show you.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, he revving back. Here he come. Oh. The truth, man. Straight truth. It don't get no realer than that. It don't get no realer than that. It don't get no realer than that. Yeah. Too late. I know. I know. Here, man, I'll let you get a donut right quick, man.
Can I do it?
Let this boy. Donut, watch I catch him. You gotta watch it. So this boy. Tyrell, man. Yeah, he ain't get it too good. He ain't get it as good as Uncle do. Yeah, I just made him cut it loose. My brakes ain't no good on here, so I had to let him cut it loose. You love that, though? Is that the shit or is that the shit? That's the stuff, huh? Let me go ahead and get my little mama